Greeting everyone and welcome to our first session on web design by WordPress. In this session, I'm looking at getting you started with your web design course, looking at what you need to complete this course successfully. So let's look at the objectives. So in this module, at the end of this module, you should be able to 1. Get a better understanding on the web design course, acquire the course requirements that you need to complete this course successfully, understand how to take this course online and virtually. I should be able to also to understand how to use this course resources and assets. So basically by the end of this course, these are the things that you should be able to understand or get better understanding on. So let's look at the first module, which is introduction to the course. And what do we say about the introduction to the course? So the primary goal of this course is to teach anyone on how to master WordPress by gathering the knowledge to build a responsive and beautiful website with the latest version of WordPress. So in this course, it's a step-by-step guide on how to start creating beautiful websites and responsive websites. I will also guide you through the every steps from installation to a finished website. So how do you get hosting, how you install WordPress, and eventually design your responsive website. So those are things that we're going to learn in this course. So what is going to be covered in this course? Web design theory and practice. We're going to look at the different aspects of design and principles of design or elements of design in relation to web design. We're going to get hosting and register a domain name for your website. We're also going to learn how to work with WordPress management in managing your content, the text, the pictures, the videos that you're going to post into your website. They're going to be managed by WordPress. And then lastly, we're going to actually design responsive websites. We're going to look at portfolio website, e-commerce website, and we're going to look at a landing page website. So at the end, we're going to look at how you can design responsive website. What we're not going to cover in this course is computer program applications, even though it is a requirement that you should be able to have the basic understanding on the different applications of web design. But we're not going to cover a computer application processing. For example, using your computer application like Word and everything else is not going to be covered in this course. Those are necessary skill that you need to have. Another necessary skill that you need to have, but it's not going to be covered in this course, is illustration and photo editing. But you're going to learn step-by-step process how you can edit your photo online easily. But you're not going to cover deep into illustration projects, for instance, Adobe Illustrator or photo editing software like Photoshop in this course, because in future you're going to develop courses that support this web design course. We're not going to do any coding. We're not going to learn any coding. So if you're looking at how to design or how to make your website through programming, this course is not going to cover coding or programming in any language. After this course, you're going to start taking your own projects. You're going to make money. This is not going to teach you how to be a millionaire overnight, but you're going to work step by step in getting your first project and getting paid, and actually working as a freelancer using your skills that you're going to learn in this course. So let's get into it and look at the first course. So see you then.